Hi guys, I'm happy to tell you that Wyllflow is now live. So you can access it by going to wyllflow.com and you can start using it, right? So I have tested it and now it's live, right? So very responsive, and these are the features that you get, right? So you can just go and try it, okay? So you can come here and log in with your social sign-in or Google or even email and password. Okay. Then you go through the onboarding process, and if you have an account already, you can come here and you can create clients, right? Test client. And you can put their email here. Okay, so company, email, and contact. You can also put the rest here, the address, maybe street name. You can tag it, VIP code and stuff. Then you save. Okay, so you can click on it, view the details, add timeline. Should you do anything, you can add timeline here. Okay, and you can delete from here. So a pop-up, you delete, you can edit. That's if you want, right? And you see the details here. Okay, great. You can also go to leads, import leads from CSV file, import CSV, and you can also add a lead here, same like the client, adding clients, right? You can do same here. Then you go to pipelines, you create a new pipeline, so sales in. Then you can start adding deals to your pipeline. Okay, so new deal. Okay, you can select the clients if you have. You can put the value, 10,000, 50% chance. You can put the end date, right? You can also target and boom. Okay, so you can move it between the stages. Okay, you can add more depending on your plan. Okay, you can even rename it, you can delete it, and you can add tags here. You can create tags for whichever user. Okay, since I'm the only one, right? Test. Okay, so you can create tags as well, and you can come to your settings, organization, team. If you're on a team plan, you can invite team members, right? Great. And you can also create invoice, and the main thing, invoice, you go here and you create the invoice. So select the client, the dates and everything, right? Select the currency, you add items, service. Okay, so you can add payment plans. So assuming I have PayPal link, I can put the PayPal email here, right? Save, and I will just select that, right? So that has been selected. I can put the terms of and conditions will go here, right? For the for the invoice, and I can also put some notes here. So please do pay on time. And say thank you. Yeah, you can put things like that also here, and you can preview it. So if you go back here to the details, you can preview it. This is a simple one, right? And you can see the note and terms. So come here, you can change it to modern, like this one. So this one, when you change the theme color in your organization, this color will also change based on the color that you selected for your organization. There's also a professional, right? And there is also all the colors are tied to the organizational color code that you select, right? Okay, pretty simple. And this also here, right? Okay, so we have 4 themes for now, and you can just save it, and that's all. So literally that's it. So go and try it, and you can use Wyllflow at 50, Wyllflow 50, right? Wyllflow 50 for 50% discount. Okay, thank you.